Excellency Neke Neke Boro Barabo, President of the Republic of Vanuatu, Prime Minister Honorable Yotham Nepat, Mr. Levuan Falo, PR of Vanuatu with WMO and Director of VMGD, esteemed ministers, delegates, colleagues, and friends. On behalf of the World Meteorological Organization, I am delighted to say a few words at the official launch of the Vanuatu weather radar system. This radar system can mean the difference between life and death, and today we are here to celebrate life and to protect livelihoods. Vanuatu is one of the world's most at-risk countries to natural hazards. You are in the Pacific Ring of Fire and in the cyclone belt. Your communities are at risk of earthquakes, volcanoes, intense storms, and rising sea levels. As you know, Tropical Cyclone Pam in 2015 affected half of the population and caused damages equal to 2/3 of the country's GDP. And you had an earthquake that struck Port Vila just before Christmas last year, causing disruption and fear at what should be a joyous time of year. Recovery from such events takes time, strength, and resilience, and Vanuatu has shown all of this. Therefore am delighted that community, church, and youth leaders are taking part of this inclusive ceremony. Vanuatu is a perfect candidate for the United Nations Early Warnings for All initiative, and in a small island developing state spread across more than 80 islands, reaching the last mile is not easy. But with improved monitoring, forecasting, and communication technologies, it is possible, and we are making real progress. Today's launch of the country's first weather radar is a milestone for Vanuatu and will help close the gap in global observations. This radar will save lives, protect property and livelihoods, and support communities as they face the impacts of climate change. I would like to also highlight the Climate Information Services for Resilient Development in Vanuatu project, known to many as VanKirap. This project directly supports the national vision in the Vanuatu 2030 People's Plan, because indeed, people must be at the heart of every vision. VanKirap is a major investment from the Green Climate Fund. It is helping build a stable, sustainable, and prosperous future. WMO is proud to contribute to this effort. We worked closely with the SPREP, CSIRO, and the government of Vanuatu to support the development of the radar system, from technical requirements to tender assessments. This partnership has been strong and truly collaborative. I warmly congratulate everyone involved. The VanKirap project will strengthen observations and early warning systems, improve climate-informed decision-making, and support hydrological services. We know that investments in climate information services can significantly reduce socioeconomic losses. Vanuatu now stands to benefit greatly from this advancement. At WMO, we always say that early warnings work. They must work for everyone and all the time, and Vanuatu is no exception. Once again, my warmest congratulations to the government of Vanuatu and all partners involved in VanKirap. Together, we can build a more resilient future for our communities, our islands, and our children.